Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna change the light on this camera right here. We're gonna have turn on the light. We're gonna change it from halogen to LED. So we're gonna put some switchback LED in it. So you see that light right now, it's gonna show white, and when you turn the signal light on, it's supposed to turn yellow. Turn on the four-way flash. So you can see it's flashing yellow. So let's go ahead. First you want to get your wheel turned. Alright, can turn it off. Yeah. First you want to get your wheel turned. You want to remove this screw right here, but mine seems like it's already out, so I'm just gonna pry it out a little bit and get behind there. Piece right here, but it's already removed. You just want to push your hand in there and just turn it counterclockwise. Then you can remove this bulb. So this bulb is 7444 NA. So this should be good. But with this, it's gonna flash fast because it don't have as much resistance as that one. We have it. So guys, we finally got it in. You can see what it looked like now, and you can see that flash right there. It's even brighter than the you can see it's brighter than the, you can see this, and you can see how bright it is than the regular one. Turn off the four-way flash. So guys, we're on to the next side right now. And this clip is not in as well too. So when it's in correctly, it's supposed to lock in like this right here, and that one is not in. So you just need to just pull it out to get access to the lamp right there. So you can see the lamp in there. That's what you need to turn counterclockwise to remove. And then you can pull out on the bulb. I don't have as much strength in my hand right now because my hand's still healing. So you can see I put the clip back, so that's good. And let's see how it looks now in the front. So you can see the white lights now in the front. You can see they flash yellow, but remember they're gonna flash fast when you turn your signal light on. That's because it's four-way is on, so you don't flash fast, but once the signal is on, it's gonna flash fast. So that's with the light on. You can see it's hyper flashing right now. You You can see the right side is white, but once you turn it on, it's hyper flashing. Turn it off, and you can see it's back white. So now you're gonna need to change the LED to make it all look white in the headlamps. So now it's good, guys. So that's how you change the front. We're gonna move on to the back. So we gotta go to the trunk. We just gotta remove these. So we need to push in on this right here, and it will come off. Or we need to remove this with a flathead screwdriver or something to get it off.
Back easier to take out than the front.
Yeah. Let me get once again from Oxito. Link will be in the description where you can get these. So you'll see how bright it look compared to how dull this one look. Yeah, you can see how bright this side look to that side. So they definitely gonna see you with this one. And these, you can plug them in anyhow and they're still gonna work. Alright, that's it.
Keep it going.
So that's it, guys. You can see how bright they look right now. You can see how bright they look. So yeah, guys, it's a good upgrade over the stock bulb like these, and they work good. Just line these back up. That's it. Peace out. See you next time.